In recent years, we've seen devastating impacts from floods and droughts. In 2024 alone, water-related disasters claimed over 8,700 lives and displaced more than 40 million people worldwide. Extreme weather is becoming more frequent and more intense. The latest hurricane season was particularly active, with 18 named storms, 11 hurricanes, and 5 major hurricanes in the Atlantic basin. So, to put this into perspective, last year there were 18 named storms. 5 years ago, in 2019, there were 6 named storms and only 1 reached hurricane strength. And 10 years ago, in 2014, the Atlantic saw just 8 named storms with no major hurricanes at all. When water systems fail, the consequences are immediate and devastating. In 2021, Winter Storm Uri left over 14.9 million people in Texas without safe drinking water, leading to a public health emergency that caused nearly 250 deaths. Hurricane Maria's impact on Puerto Rico's water infrastructure in 2017 contributed to 3,000 deaths, with many attributed to lack of access to clean water in the months following the storm. The financial toll is equally staggering. The United States alone faced over $145 billion in weather and climate disaster damages in 2021, with water infrastructure repairs accounting to roughly 40% of these costs. In Pakistan's 2022 floods, water infrastructure damage exceeded $14.9 billion US, with total economic losses reaching over $30 billion, about 10% of that country's GDP. Our water utilities are dangerously underprepared. A 2023 EPA assessment found that 87% of US water utilities lacked comprehensive climate resilience plans. Most systems were designed using historical weather patterns that no longer reflect our current reality. Think about this. Infrastructure built to withstand a 100-year flood is now facing that condition every 4 years. As we look ahead, climate models predict alarming trends in extreme weather events. In just 1 year, we can expect record-breaking heat waves with dangerously high temperatures, increasing by an average of 41 days. Heavy rainfall events will become 5 times more frequent. By 2026, hurricane intensity will escalate, with stronger storms impacting more communities. And looking to 2030, we'll likely witness unprecedented extreme weather events and records being shattered, driven by rising global temperatures. The time to act is now. Each dollar spent on resilience today saves an average of $4 in future disaster recovery costs. More importantly, it saves lives. The question isn't whether extreme weather will strike, it's whether you'll be ready when it does.